Good morning, everyone. Oh, it's a beautiful morning. The skies are blue with almost no clouds around. I think it's quite early and I see most people here are still asleep. It's very quiet and still for now. Let's sit down for breakfast. Breakfast is buffet style at the hotel cafe. And over here are the drinks, the usual coffee and tea, and some juices. And here's what I took: some filet, hot dog, cucumber, some noodles, egg, some nasi lemak, and sambal chili sauce. And of course, always with the piping hot coffee. What a simple, beautiful breakfast. Yum yum.
Sometimes what you want ain't what you need. Sometimes letting go can make your heart bleed. Sometimes the road ahead seems dark as night. Have some faith in yourself, that's the guiding light. You should know that when your dreams have hit the ceiling and fallen back down on the ground, let me tell you, I know the feeling. I used to live in that town. One door closes, another swings open. That's life, and not to dwell upon the darkest hour, they say, is just before dawn. You might take a fall, but you can bounce right back. Go to town dressed up like a heart attack, 'cause you know that when your dreams have hit the ceiling and fallen back down on the ground, let me tell you, I know the feeling. I used to live in that town. One door closes, another swings open. That's life, and let's dwell upon the darkest hour, they say, it's just before dawn. Yeah. Hit the ceiling and falling back down on the ground, let me tell you, I know the feeling. I used to live in that town. One door closes, another swings open. That's life, and let to dwell upon the darkest hour, they say, is just before dawn. The darkest hour, they say, is just before dawn. Just before dawn.
On the way to have Roti Canai, I passed by this big bus terminal. I guess there are other ways to get here even if you don't drive. And the shops here are open typically from 11 AM onwards, 9 AM now, and most shops are still closed. This bus terminal is located right in the center of this little town. Very convenient. I found this enticing Roti Canai place. Okay, I'll try the Roti Canai here. Here we go. And here it is, the Roti Canai with the standard curry and sambal chili and kopi. It smells really good. Yum yum. And then you get to have this with the wonderful seaside view. Can't get any better than this. Enjoy! Alright dear friends, that's my little video on Pontian. I hope you like watching this video as much as I did making this video. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.